Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for Jan 27th, 2020. Excuse me. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did see equities drop sharply today on escalating fears over the coronavirus. The Dow was lower by 453 points. The S&P 500 was lower by 51, while the Nasdaq dropping 175 points, and the Russell 2000 giving back 18. The bond market was up sharply, and the yield, excuse me, on the 10-year note is now at 1.612%. Crude oil also pulling back sharply, down another $1.05 or 1.9%, while gold gaining 6 points at the official close or 0.3%. The dollar continues to climb, both against the CAD here and the dollar index chart, which is the dollar versus a basket of 6 other currencies. So that was one of the sharpest pullbacks we've seen in a little while. The 20-period moving average has obviously been taken out on all 4 index charts. Now the next test is the 50-period moving average. Now tomorrow, looking ahead, slew of earnings, some big names. We have Starbucks, 3M, AMD, but the biggest one will be Apple. And Apple pulling back, pulling back like everything else today. But the main things that people will be looking for on that earnings announcement is their TV Plus uptake numbers and their overall demand in China. So again, all that happens tomorrow afternoon. Until then, that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.